Here I've got my phone pocket, and let me show you how to wipe cache partition on the following device. So at first you have to turn off your phone. To do it, just tap on power key and then select power off. As only the phone is shut down, tap on power key and volume up key and hold both of them all together until you see the logo or boot mode already. That depends on which will appear at first. Actually, it's boot mode, so as you can see we are currently at boot mode. Here you can navigate by using the volume up key, and for selection use volume down key. So you have to pick recovery mode and then tap on volume down key to pick it. As only you see the Android logo, tap on power key and then hit volume up key once, just like that, and now you are in recovery mode. Here you can navigate by using both volume up and down keys, and for selection you should tap on power key. So all you have to do is to slide down to wipe cache partition and then tap on power key to pick it. Go to yes, and that's it. As you can see, cache wipe complete, so we can smoothly reboot system now. To do it, just tap on power key and wait until your device is back in the normal mode. And that's it. As you can see now, you can use your device in a normal way. So that would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.